Well done for starting your revision. It might be a good idea to get a pen and paper to write down the key points from this tutorial. Let's talk about peace. Christians believe they should work for peace because killing is forbidden in the Ten Commandments and because Jesus encouraged his followers to seek peace, reconciliation and forgiveness. Can you think of a time when he did this? Yes. That's right. When he was being arrested. He told his disciples not to fight back and told Peter those who draw the sword will die by the sword. Can you think of any other sources of wisdom and authority that show Jesus as a peacemaker? Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called children of God. He also said if anyone slaps you on the right cheek, turn to them the other cheek also. He also said love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you. Many Christians interpret the teachings of Jesus to mean they should avoid all conflict and war and are pacifists. But some Christians believe there are times when conflict is needed and refer to a teaching of Paul to support this. Can you remember it? Paul said let everyone be subject to the governing authorities, for there is no authority except the ones God has established. This means if your government says you should go to war, then you should. The church encourages peace. In many conflicts, Christians are conscientious objectors. This means they refuse to fight in wars because of ethical reasons. So, in summary, Jesus taught people should respond peacefully in times of conflict. Christians believe they should be peacemakers, but some believe they should fight in just causes, like to stop others from getting hurt, which is the lesser of two evils. Now, let's learn about peacemaking and the Christian groups that work for peace. See you in the next tutorial.